Alright, here I have the Skunk2 cold air intake that I installed, and that is the radiator hose that comes underneath and comes through right here, as you can see it, and it connects right here. And this is the intake that I got from Skunk2 Racing. Awesome intake. It's a cold air intake, goes all the way down here. I'm not sure if you can see that, but it's down there. And, has a battery relocator, and the coolant reservoir is at the bottom. It's down there somewhere, right down there. Alright, let's give it a sound test to see how it sounds like. There we go. The vehicle is currently on. Let's see. Alright, there we go. Thank you, YouTube.